Dairy Science Technology. We are discussing about the effect of storage conditions on stability of dried milk. Dried milk. Powdered milk or dried milk is a manufactured dairy product made by evaporating milk to dryness. One purpose of drying milk is to preserve it. Milk powder has a far longer shelf life than liquid milk and does not need to be refrigerated due to its low moisture content. Storing of dried milk. Dried milk is made using a process that removes nearly all of the water from the product. The low moisture means shelf life is extended considerably. However, if not stored properly, dried milk can go bad in as little as 30 days. The storage conditions of powdered milk make a huge difference to its shelf life. When stored in cardboard or paper packaging in a warm, moist place, the shelf life might be just a few months. If temperatures get over 104 degrees Fahrenheit, dried milk will spoil in just 30 days. However, with the right storage methods, dried milk can last 15 plus years. Non-fat dried milk will last much longer than full-fat milk. It is because fats and oils are very susceptible to heat and oxidation. Full-fat milk is generally not suitable for long-term storage. Long-term storage of dried milk. For long-term storage, the best way to store dried milk is to put it in sealed mylar bags with oxygen absorbers and desiccants. Dried low-fat milk can last 15 plus years when stored this way. Both instant and non-fat powdered milk have a shelf life of up to 20 years if stored in mylar bags in a cool location with an average temperature below 75 degrees. To maximize dried milk shelf life, store in a cool, dark place. Keep it in an airtight container. Use oxygen absorbers to remove oxygen from the container. Use desiccants to control moisture. Only choose non-fat dried milk. Storage conditions. Temperature. The storage temperature is the most important factor in determining the length of time that dried milk can be stored and should be as cool as possible. Oxygen. Exclude oxygen as much as possible to decrease the speed of undesirable chemical changes. Dried milk canned with nitrogen or carbon dioxide to replace air will keep longer than dried milk that is exposed to air. Vacuum canning also decreases the available oxygen. Packaging. The packaging for milk, which will be held for extended periods of time, should not permit air nor water vapor into the package. Cardboard and polyfilm packages do not provide as good of a barrier to air as do metal cans. Moisture. Moisture will cause caking and accelerate undesirable changes in flavor. Therefore, if the milk is not packaged in cans, store it in a dry location. Light. Most types of packaging will block out light. If dried milk is to be stored in a package type, example glass jars, plastic bags, which does not do so, store it in a dark place. Light will accelerate the undesirable chemical changes in flavor and odor. The storage times and temperatures are based on non-fat dry milk, instant or regular, stored at different temperatures and in unopened packages with either nitrogen or carbon dioxide to replace the air in the package. Storage times will be shorter for products stored in paper or cardboard packages. Quality changes during storage. Color or browning. Browning occurs when lactose and protein interact at elevated storage temperatures, that is above 35 degrees Celsius, through a complex series of reactions called Maillard reaction. For some products, such as baked goods, the color and flavor changes associated with browning are highly desirable. In other situations, the Maillard reaction may lead to a loss of quality during storage. Clumping. This is typically caused when the lactose component in a dry dairy ingredient begins to absorb moisture. Ingredients with higher lactose content will be affected more than those with lower lactose levels. Functionality. The solubility, forming and emulsification properties of dairy ingredients are fairly stable during storage. Changes in solubility may occur and most often related to color changes such as browning. Flavor. Dry dairy products are known for having a neutral, mild dairy flavor. Storage at high temperatures and high relative humidity may increase the potential development of off flavors. In many cases, significant changes in product flow and solubility will occur before any changes in flavor and aroma become evident. Flavor changes develop more quickly in agglomerated or instant ingredients. Hardening. This is caused when a dry dairy product has been exposed to high storage temperatures and high storage relative humidity for an extended period of time. The amount of time before hardening occurs will vary depending on the specific storage conditions, product type, and packaging. Nutritional quality. Storage at higher temperatures may reduce the amount of amino acid lysine in the product. Exposure to moisture may increase the amount of loss. Thank you.